2004 Forest River Salem 27 RLSS for sale in Mountain View, Wyoming 82939. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2004 Forest River Salem 27 RLSS in social distance and style. This luxury fifth wheel is 27 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 comfortably. It has been outfitted with 1 slide out, 1 awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2004 Forest River Salem 27 RLSS fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, and Convection Microwave OvenRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with bench seating surround SoundCD / StereoSofa SleeperLarge bathroom with shower and SkylightMaster queen-size bedroom full-size master storage closet / DresserFurnaceAir conditioning and so much more. This 2004 Forest River Salem 27 RLSS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2004 Forest River Salem 27 RLSS fifth wheel can be yours.